Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to continue with our water supply system. So as you can see, this is already water supply, deep domestic water pipes, pipe drafting already done for the both floor, ground as well as first floor. So today we are going to do the piping for this main piping, as I think main piping. From this domestic water tank, this water will goes to this overhead water tank. Okay, this is water coming from this municipality to inside this tank. Okay, and there will be one flow meter here just to measure the how much water is coming, water meter. Okay, and then this water will pump through this pumping system. Okay, through booster pump. Okay, and this water will goes to overhead water tank. Okay, and from this overhead water tank, this water will freely fall to each toilet with the gravity system. Okay, so today we are doing main piping from this domestic water tank to overhead water tank. Then we will in the next tutorial we will do the pipe sizing. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, you have to simply start from here. Okay, so take polyline command. Okay, simply draw like this and go down here. Simply copy this riser. Simply copy this riser and place it here. Okay, then move this riser 50 mm from the wall. Sorry, 100 mm. Okay, 100 mm from the wall. Erase this. Okay, now start from here. Okay, from this, start from the riser and connect to this pipe, this tank. Okay, so this is your main pipe coming from domestic water tank to this going to overhead water tank. Okay, so simply select this one and go to this property, change the color. Okay, so make this any color, it's up to you. So I want to keep this color. Okay, now what you will do, simply copy this riser. Okay, and copy this to each floor, select one reference point. Okay, copy here also. Okay, and then go to this ground floor, copy to ground floor also. Okay, so you can see this is your riser. Okay, so it's came here. From here you have to connect like this. Okay, you start from here. Okay, move this way. Connect like this. Okay, and in between this there will be one pump here. Okay, so for the pump you have to draw like this. Go to this property, change the line type to bilayer. Okay, and then draw one pump. Okay, like this. Actually pump is showing generally like this. Okay, so this is your booster pump set. For example, this, assume this is your booster pump. Okay, or you can show with a single drawing also, single line also, like this. Make one rectangle like this. Okay, and simply copy this text and double click to edit pump. Okay, this is your pump. Select this one, go and click go to this properties and change this text height to 120. You want this smaller. Okay, and now make one rectangle around this like this. Okay, and simply select this and rotate. Now move this one, type M, move command and simply place it here. Okay, now TR, trim command, use trim command, enter, simply trim this line. Okay, so this is your pump. Okay, now what you will do, double click to erase this. Okay, so this is your main pipe. Okay, simply select or use match properties, go to here, select this one, match this. Okay, so this is your booster pump. It will take the water from domestic water tank and send to overhead water tank. Okay, here. So what you will do, simply show the copy this arrow flow direction we need to show. So simply use mirror command just to mirror this one, and now move this. Okay, make it smaller and move this. Okay, move it here. Okay, so this water coming from domestic water tank and going to this overhead water tank. Okay, now copy this one and rotate, use rotate command. Okay, and move it, place it here. Okay, so what you will do now, you have to select this text, make it current layer and you write it here, use leader line and you simply write here like this, show the leader line and write some text here. Okay, from domestic water tank, from domestic water tank. Okay, water coming from domestic water tank. Okay, now we have to copy this this arrow flow direction. Okay, and go to this ground floor here, place it here. Okay, so this is just showing this direction of the flow. Okay, again copy this one, rotate this and use move command, move and place it here. Okay, now we have to use the text, copy the text, copy this one, to OHT. Okay, going to overhead water tank. This water is going to overhead water tank. Okay, simply copy this also, this text and place it here on the second floor also. Okay, here to OHT. Okay, so this is how we are going to, we made this all the piping for this water supply. This is main piping once again. And now draw this main line. Okay, so this is for example main line. What you will do, simply click this one and make it current layer go to this property, change the line type. Okay, change the line type to DWS. Okay, now we have to draw one main line from here like this. Okay, and simply select this one and change the color or use match properties. Select this one. So this water coming from municipality. Okay, you have to show the direction as well. This water coming from municipality and going to this domestic water tank. You make one flow meter here. Use rectangle command and simply copy this text. Simply copy this text. Place it here and rotate this. Okay, this is your water meter. Okay, WM. WM is nothing but water meter. Okay, this is your water meter. Simply match this one, match with the same, and move it here. Okay, use trim command. Select the cutting edge and trim this center line, and you can change this the color also. I don't want this same color, so this is water meter. Okay, it's same as the tank color, so I want to make red. Okay, so this is water meter. Also again match this pump. This is pump. Okay, simply copy this flow direction, place it here. Okay, so this is your main line coming from this municipality going to this domestic water tank, and from the water tank it will boost with booster pump to overhead water tank. Okay, so overhead water tank is on the roof, so water coming from the domestic water tank to overhead water tank. Okay, from overhead water tank, simply extend this one. Okay, from overhead water tank it will distribute it to each floor. Okay, so this is the complete piping for this water supply. This is for the two pipe system only. For same water is used for this laboratories, all the this wash basin and flushing, for the flushing purpose also. And in this domestic water is using as a cold water. Okay, with for the flushing as well as for the hand spray and this wash basin or lavatories called, and sink as well. So this is domestic water only supplying to each fixtures. Okay, for the flushing as well as for this lavatories. Okay, and one more pipe will come for this hot water. This hot water will goes to these fixtures only, these lavatories and sink only. Only hot water will goes to these fixtures. Okay, And for three pipe system is nothing but the STP, sewage treatment plant. Okay, so in that system, this there will be the this waste water will water coming going from this laboratories and hand spray bathtub will go to this tank, sewage treatment plant, and then grey water tank is called grey water tank. Will go to this grey water tank after treating. This water will use for the flushing purpose. Okay, so there will be grey water tank. That water, there will be two tank here on the ground. One is for the domestic water tank and one is for the underground grey water tank. Okay, that water coming going from the grey water tank will go to this and on the roof also there will be two tank. One is for the overhead water tank is nothing but the domestic water tank. Okay, and there will be one more tank for this overhead grey water tank. Okay, the water coming from underground grey water tank will go to this overhead grey water tank, and from overhead grey water tank it will goes to this WC and urinal. For the flushing purpose we will use that water. Okay, so that will be made in another video. I will make another video for the three pipe system. This is only for the two pipe system. The same water will use for the flushing as well as for this bathroom also. Okay, so simple write text here, or text will write later. So I think you guys learned something from this video. So in the next tutorial guys, I will do the pipe sizing. Okay, then we will start the hot water supply. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I would like to request you guys once again, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Please take care. Thank you. Bye bye.